नाजरीन, आप देख रहे हैं PSA डिजिटल और मैं हूं मोहम्मद अहमद साजिद। इस वक्त कराची त्यारा हादसा में बच जाने वाले पंजाब बैंक के सदर जनाब जफ़र मसूद साहब अपनी सेहतयाबी के बाद हेड ऑफिस पंजाब लाहौर में अपने ऑफिशियल से गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं। आइए आपको सुनवाते हैं।
Obviously this is a new journey for me and this is surely a new journey for Bank of Punjab as well, and you all as the new team, because we've got a new team now, a relatively new team. Obviously the pillar of this organization will remain people like Nadeem Saab and Ijaz Saab and Nofal, but compliance has a new face. Retail and digital banking has a new face. HR has a new face. So, we are embarking on a new journey. It's not just my journey, it's the journey of all of us. This is one of the many visits that I would like to do, Nofal. This logistically, this made more sense तो मैं यहाँ आ गया हूँ, but जहाँ जहाँ मैं जा सका ओवर द कोर्स ऑफ नेक्स्ट फ्यू मंथ्स वीक्स, मेरी कोशिश होगी कि मैं ज़रूर आप लोगों से आके मिलूं और आप लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करूं कि जिस तरह आप लोगों ने दुआएं की हैं, मेरे ख्याल से ये मिरेकल हो नहीं सकता था अगर इसमें आप सबकी दुआएं शामिल ना होती। दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि माशाल्लाह वी आर वेरी वेल पोजिशन्ड नाउ for a new journey, a growth. Congratulations to the entire team, to all of you for achieving the target of 1 trillion rupee of the balance sheet. And we are now looking forward to having 1 trillion rupee of deposit base. And hopefully the incremental 200 billion will come from private sector. So that's that. We will obviously remain committed to the projects of the government. Asif, as you know, we are very actively working with the government of Punjab, with the federal government, Kamyab Jawan, Punjab Small Industries Corporation, PISIC as they call it, Punjab Rozgar Scheme, State Bank of Pakistan, and housing, low-cost housing will remain a mainstay for us. And inshallah, we will take the lead on all those projects and deliver as per the expectations of our sponsors, inshallah. That is all possible because of your support. So, lastly, thank you very much once again. Keep up the great work. I'm back in the office now. Today was the first day. It was a great day today. Looking forward to tomorrow and many great days coming our way, inshallah. Thank you.